Hello friends, welcome to Easy English. Past perfect continuous tense. We use past perfect continuous tense to convey what someone was doing for a given time. Let us see how. I had been teaching in ABC school since last 20 years. This sentence tells us that I was teaching in ABC school for last 20 years, but I am not teaching in the school anymore. My daughter had been working in a hospital since last 5 years. Means my daughter was working in a hospital for last 5 years, but she is not working in the hospital now. We at Ashray had been taking care of the mentally challenged adults since 2017. Means we were taking care of the mentally challenged adults from 2017, but we have stopped our services now. So basically, past perfect continuous tense tells us that someone started doing something a few years, months, weeks, days or hours back, but the person is not doing it anymore. He or she has stopped doing it now. Here are some more examples. I had been writing posts for my website since morning. My friends had been playing cricket for an hour. We had been studying in the library for 3 hours. You had been talking over the phone for a long time. She had been watching television for quite a while. He had been driving a car since he was a teenager. Notice the verbs in the sentences. Had been teaching, had been working, had been taking, had been writing, had been reading, had been playing, had been studying, had been talking, had been watching, and had been driving. They all are in past perfect continuous tense. All you have to remember is use had been plus ing form of verb with I, you, we, they, he, she and it. Isn't it simple? Now try to make as many sentences as possible in past perfect continuous tense so that you will get familiar with the tense and will be able to use it whenever necessary. Stay tuned. Goodbye.